Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeByTushu. I hope you are doing great and solving your daily LeetCode problem consistently. So today we will solve a very interesting dynamic programming game theory problem. So today's problem name is LeetCode 486 Predict the Winner. This problem look like a simulation between two players, but if we think carefully, both players always play optimally. That's mean instead of simulation every possibility, we need to calculate the maximum score advantage a player can achieve. Let's understand how. Problem understanding: we are given an integer nums. Two players take turns picking exactly one number from either the left end or the right end of the array. So player 1 always start first. Both players play optimally to maximum their score. At the end, if player 1 score is greater than or equal to player 2 score, we return true, otherwise we return false. So guys, understanding this question and key observation. Second step, instead to storing the actual score of both players, we only need to score the score difference between the current player and the opponents. Suppose we are considering the subarray nums ij. The current player has only two choice. Choice 1, pick the left element, and then the opponent's players optimally on the remaining range, so the current player's final advantage becomes, and the choice to pick the right elements. Now the opponent's plays on the remaining range, the advantage become. We simply takes whichever option gives the largest advantage and step. So approach like first is create a DP table where, and second is if only one element exists, the current players takes it, and third, process all subarrays from smaller length to lengther. So, and fourth, for every interval compute both choice, pick left, pick right, and store the maximum advantage. And last is finally, if player 1 can win or at the least tie, return true, otherwise return false. So guys, let's Java code start. So first of all, class solution and public solution given by LeetCode, but next line is this, store the size of array. Next, create the DP table. Each cell stores the maximum score difference the current player can optimum. And next is for loop by case. If only number is visible, the player simply pick it, so the score difference equal that itself. And use the for loop again, traverse every subarray of the current length, compute the ending index of the current interval, and use the again condition. Guys, this is the main DP transaction. If we pick up the left number, or advantage becomes. And next is, if we pick up the right number or advantage becomes, takes the maximum of both of value. So guys, simple. And next value, so final score difference like return value, like final the value, otherwise return false, and complete code and save the code, and guys submit the code, and we will wait guys. So code is right guys, complete strict 7 days, and thank you so much guys for your support me always. And check the case 1 and case 2, and time complexity guys omega n square, because we fill n multiply n db table, otherwise n square, and space complexity n square, same thought. And that's for today's problem guys. And once we define the dp state correctly, implementation becomes very clear. And if this explain helped you, like this video, comment your approach, and subscribe to CodeByTushu for more daily LeetCode solution and other. And thanks for watching guys. So thank you guys everything. And small news guys, little bit like only for you guys. So as you already know, I provide for LeetCode daily problem solution on my website, and I will upload a video showing you how to visit my website, what's available, and how to use everything properly, like blogs, codes, and LeetCode solution now. And this page my website, and at description and this link. And please, I want you all share that video as much possible, but can visit the website and help improve its ranking. So alright guys, and thank you so much guys, thank you so much.